Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, in my previous video, we discussed about how to create cost categories, cost center and cost center classes and voucher entries about salary allocated to different region or branches. But today in this video we discuss about how to create cost center about sales commission. So today's topic is sales commission. So how to allocate the sales commission into different region or branches, and how to create cost center classes about sales commission and sales commission voucher entries. Okay, regarding this today we will discuss. First we go through the transaction. Paid sales commission rupees 75,000 by check to Bangalore branch. Employees of Mr. Rajesh SC 32%, Girish TK 38% and Raju CB 30%. Sales commission account debtor to State Bank of India. Okay. So first create main cost center, that is sales commission within bracket Bangalore branch, and addition to that create cost center Mr. Rajesh SC under sales commission Bangalore branch. So like that Girish TK and Raju CB. So go to gateway of tally, select create, select cost center, press backspace. Earlier we are already created categories Bangalore branch, Hyderabad branch, New Delhi branch. Select Bangalore branch, create main cost center, sales commission within bracket Bangalore branch. Under primary. So create other cost center, Mr. Rajesh, Girish and Raju. Rajesh SC under sales commission Bangalore branch. So next one Girish TK under sales commission Raju CB under sales commission Bangalore branch. Okay. So next create go to the next question. Paid sales commission rupees 85,000 by check to New Delhi branch of employees Mr. Shivlinga Godayan 35%, Miss Uma 40% and Miss Lalita 25%. So create main cost center, that is sales commission New Delhi branch, and change the category. Press backspace, select New Delhi branch. Now create main cost center, sales commission within bracket New Delhi branch under primary. So create Shivlinga Godayan under sales commission New Delhi branch. So next one Miss Uma under sales commission New Delhi. Lalita under sales commission New Delhi branch. Okay, so New Delhi is over. Move to next question. Paid sales commission rupees 65,000 by check to Hyderabad branch of employees Mr. Raghavendra 38%, Mr. Chamraju 36% and Mr. Shankar 26%. First create main cost center. Before that, press backspace, select category, that is Hyderabad branch. Create main cost center, sales commission, Hyderabad branch, under primary. So create other cost centers, Raghavendra, under sales commission, Hyderabad branch, Chamraju, under sales commission, Hyderabad branch. So next one, Shankar, under sales commission, Hyderabad branch. Okay, so now we finished all the cost centers. Cost category already created in part number 1. Now move to cost center class. Select show more, press enter, select cost center class. So here type sales commission, Bangalore class. Select Bangalore branch. So here come to the first question. Paid sales commission rupees 75,000 by check to Bangalore branch employees of Mr. Rajesh SC. Mr. Rajesh SC. Select Rajesh SC. So what is the percentage? 32%. Girish TK, 38%. Raju CB, 30%. Escape, go to gateway of tally, select voucher, select payment voucher, select voucher center class, cost center class, select cost center class, that is sales commission, Bangalore branch class. Select sales commission. Okay, so I forget to create the sales commission ledger. Create here. Select create or press Alt C. Okay, do any one. Select create. So create sales commission under indirect expenses. Accept. So what is the amount? 75,000. State Bank of India. Page up. As per the percentage, sales commission is allocated to Bangalore branch employees of Rajesh SC 24,000, Girish TK 28,500, Raju CB 22,500. So like that you have to enter the cost category and cost center voucher entries. So next move to another one. Go to the transaction. Paid sales commission rupees 85,000 by check to New Delhi branch of employees Mr. Shivlinga Gowda N 35%, Miss Uma 40% and Miss Lalita 25%. Go to payment voucher. Before going to payment voucher, we need to create cost center class. Escape, go to gateway of tally, select create, select show more, select cost center class, type sales commission within bracket New Delhi class. Select New Delhi branch. Select the employees Shivlinga Gowda. percentage 35%, Uma 40%, Lalita 25%. Accept. Escape. Go to voucher, payment voucher, select cost center class, sales commission, New Delhi branch class, select sales commission, 85,000, State Bank of India, page up, check the report. Shivlingegowda N 29,750, Uma 34,000, Lalita 21,250. Okay, so like this you have to enter the card center payment voucher entry. So next move to last transaction, Hyderabad branch. Go to create, select show more, select cost center class. So create sales commission within bracket Hyderabad class. Select Hyderabad branch. Select Hyderabad salesman Raghavendra. So Raghavendra 38%, Chamraju 36%, Shankar 26%. Accept. Escape. Go to voucher, select sales commission Hyderabad class, select sales commission 65,000, State Bank of India, press page up. So as per the percentage, Raghavendra 24,700, Chamraju 23,400, Shankar 16,900. Okay friends, like this you have to enter the cost category and cost center vouchers in payment voucher. Okay, so check the report. Go to Gateway of Tally, display more reports, statements of accounts, select cost centers. Category summary. So this is the category summary. In category summary, Bangalore branch salary. This is the salary details. Sales commission. So this is the sales commission details as category wise. That means branch wise. Check it, Hyderabad branch. Salary. This is the salary for Hyderabad branch. Sales commission. So this is the sales commission report for Hyderabad branch. So like that, New Delhi branch. In New Delhi branch, this is the salary allocation and sales commission allocation. So like that, we have to check the cost center reports in Tally Prime. So next, cost center breakup. This is showing individual. This is showing individual of both salary and sales commission of different branches. Okay, salary Bangalore. So this is the Bangalore branch total salary. So like that, Hyderabad branch 2,50,000 total salary. New Delhi branch total salary 2,50,000. So like that you have to check sales commission. Bangalore branch sales commission is, so total cost is 75,000. So like that you have to check the cost center breakup report. Now ledger salary details. So as per the category wise, salary is Bangalore branch 3 lakh, Hyderabad branch 2 lakh, New Delhi branch 2,50,000. So like that, sales commission. Bangalore branch 75,000, Hyderabad branch 65,000, and New Delhi branch 85,000. Okay friends, so like that we need to check cost center and cost category reports in Tally Prime. This is group wise. Select indirect expenses. So in indirect expenses, so under that group we created two ledger, that is salary and sales commission. So as per the group wise it is showing both salary and sales commission. Okay friends, I think you got my point. Please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my videos.